In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can pair your Insta360 Mic Pro to your Luna Ultra camera. Okay, first thing that you're going to want to do is turn on your microphone here. And what you got to do is to put this microphone in pairing mode, you got to click on it so it turns on. Okay, now you'll see that blue light right there. So now you're going to triple click it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All right, now it lights up green, so now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go over to our screen here. You're going to swipe down from the top. Now you're going to swipe from the right over, and you'll see where it says wireless mic. Tap on that. All right, now it gives you an option to connect 2 microphones. We're going to tap on the first one. All right, now it's searching. Okay, and there it goes, and now it has discovered it. If you ever have any troubles of it not showing up, try clicking on this button again like 3 times and see if that works, but it should recognize it after you do that. So once it does recognize it, all you want to do now is tap on that. It'll make a little sound like that, and it says connected.